Rugged, dependable, unstoppable. That's the reputation the Tacoma has built over decades, but this isn't just a small refresh. This legendary midsize pickup could be heading into another major evolution, with a sharper design, smarter technology, and the possibility of updates that could make the next Tacoma even more capable. And if you're a Tacoma fan, there's one question you probably want answered. Could turn its already legendary pickup into an even more complete machine for 2027. We're talking about the 2027 Tacoma. And from the first looks, formula appears clear. Keep the toughness, add more technology, make it smarter, and give drivers even more reasons to choose a Tacoma over the growing army of modern pickup trucks. Let's start with the part you'll notice before you even touch the door. The exterior. The front grille immediately commands attention with a wide, aggressive design that gives the Tacoma a serious road presence. The badge sits proudly in the center, surrounded by a dark honeycomb-style grille that makes the truck look ready for almost anything. Slim LED headlights stretch outward from the grille, creating a sharp lighting signature that makes the Tacoma look wider and more modern. Vertical lighting elements sit lower in the front corners, adding another layer of visual aggression while improving visibility at night. The hood rises high above the front fascia, with sculpted lines that make the truck look powerful even when standing still. Move toward the side, and the Tacoma's muscular proportions become even more obvious. The wheel arches are wide and heavily sculpted, giving the pickup the stance you'd expect from a serious off-road machine. Large alloy wheels fill those arches, while all-terrain tires are expected on higher off-road focused trims. Black lower cladding adds protection around the body, helping defend against rocks, dirt, and debris when the pavement disappears. The crew cab configuration gives the Tacoma a practical four-door layout without sacrificing its rugged personality. And then there's the bed. It's not simply an open cargo area. It's the reason many buyers choose a Tacoma in the first place. Whether you're carrying tools, camping equipment, motorcycles, construction materials, or weekend adventure gear, the pickup bed is designed to work. At the rear, sharp LED taillights give the truck a recognizable signature, while the sculpted tailgate keeps the design clean and muscular. A high rear bumper completes the look, giving the Tacoma the durability you'd expect from a truck designed to work as hard as it plays. And that's the key. The 2027 Tacoma isn't expected to become a luxury vehicle wearing a pickup truck costume. It's expected to remain a Tacoma. Tough, functional, ready for abuse. But knows today's pickup buyers want more than toughness. They want somewhere they actually enjoy spending time. And that's where the cabin comes in. Step inside, and this is where the Tacoma starts feeling dramatically more modern. The dashboard is expected to combine durable materials with softer touch surfaces and premium accents, especially on higher trims. You still get the rugged atmosphere of a truck. But the cabin doesn't have to feel basic. In the center of the dashboard, a large provides access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and smartphone connectivity. The display is expected to offer a cleaner interface and faster response, making everyday controls easier to access. Behind the steering wheel, a digital driver display gives you important information without forcing you to constantly look toward the center screen. You can keep track of speed, fuel, or battery information, navigation details, and driver assistance alerts directly in front of you. Whether you're crawling through city traffic or heading deep into the mountains, the information stays where you need it. It's also expected to improve storage throughout the cabin. Large door pockets, useful center console space, additional USB-C charging ports, practical compartments for phones, tools, and everyday gear. Nothing overly complicated. Just useful technology placed exactly where you expect it. The seats are another important part of the experience. Higher trims are expected to offer more supportive cushioning, upgraded upholstery, heating and ventilation, and improved long-distance comfort. Because a truck isn't only about what happens when you leave the highway. It's also about how you feel after driving for 3 or 4 hours. And if you're taking your family on a weekend trip, the rear seats need to be comfortable enough to make the journey enjoyable. That's where the Tacoma's balance becomes important. Work during the week, adventure on the weekend, comfort every day. But all of this leads to the question Tacoma buyers care about most. What's happening under the hood? The current Tacoma already has a strong foundation, with its modern turbocharged four-cylinder and available hybrid technology providing a combination of torque, efficiency, and capability. That proven formula is expected to continue into the 2027 model year. However, there could be more. Is expected to continue refining its iForce Max hybrid system for buyers who want maximum low-end torque and stronger performance. And this is where things get interesting. A hybrid pickup doesn't simply mean better fuel economy. It can also mean instant electric assistance when you need to accelerate, climb, tow, or crawl over difficult terrain. In simple terms, more torque arrives when you need it. That can make the truck feel stronger from a standstill and more confident when you're carrying heavy loads. And if makes further software or calibration improvements for 2027, the driving experience could become even smoother. But the biggest question isn't just horsepower. It's capability. The Tacoma has built its reputation around off-road performance and is expected to continue offering serious trail-focused equipment across the lineup. Higher trims could feature advanced four-wheel drive systems, electronically controlled locking differentials, specialized suspension hardware, and terrain management technology. And if continues pushing its off-road technology, the 2027 model could become even more impressive. Imagine approaching a steep trail where an ordinary pickup would hesitate. The Tacoma engages its traction systems. The suspension works underneath you. The tires find grip. And instead of worrying about whether the truck can handle the terrain, you start thinking about where the trail goes next. That's the Tacoma experience. Capability without unnecessary drama. And for many buyers, that matters more than having the biggest engine in the segment. Of course, capability also means towing. The Tacoma is expected to remain competitive for drivers who need to pull trailers, boats, campers, or recreational equipment. And hybrid torque could make low-speed towing feel more effortless. That's the part people sometimes forget. Performance isn't always about acceleration. Sometimes performance means having enough strength when you're moving something heavy. And the Tacoma has always understood that. Now let's talk money. The 2027 Tacoma is expected to start somewhere in the mid-$300,000 range, depending on configuration and market. Higher trims will naturally push well beyond that figure, especially when you add four-wheel drive, hybrid power, premium interiors, advanced off-road equipment, and larger wheels. Tacomas have traditionally been valued for durability, reliability, and strong resale demand. That means the purchase price isn't necessarily the entire story. A truck that holds its value well can cost you less over the years than a cheaper vehicle that depreciates rapidly. And that's one of the biggest reasons Tacoma buyers tend to stay loyal. The 2027 Tacoma is expected to remain especially important in North America, while markets across the Middle East, Australia, Southeast Asia, and other regions continue to have strong demand for rugged pickup trucks. And you have a midsize pickup that could remain one of the toughest choices in its class. But there is still one major question hanging over the 2027 Tacoma. How far will actually push the hybrid system? Could the next update bring even more power, better efficiency, or a completely new level of electric-assisted off-road performance? Hasn't confirmed everything yet. And until the official reveal arrives, that mystery remains. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. But now I want to know what you think. If gave the 2027 Tacoma significantly more hybrid power without sacrificing its legendary reliability, would you choose it over a traditional V6-powered pickup?